Alright, Jim. Buena suerte, good luck. 2011-12, the Cup. The Cup. 8+ ages. You got to be 8 years old to open this stuff. Buena suerte. Here we go. Josh is right. Dinner is smelling kind of good for tomorrow. Come on, sleeve. Come on, penny 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 sleeve. I don't see a penny sleeve. We got Ryan Smith for the Oilers. 152/249. Captain Kenna. I don't know. Let's see. There we go. No dummy. No. Ooh, there's a redemption at the end. No dummy. There's a redemption at the end. Alright, so we got the Ryan Smith for the Oilers. And we got, for the Chicago Blackhawks, Andrew Shaw, I'm sorry. Andrew Shaw. 227/249. Adam Larson, 33/50. Limited logos, 3-color patch autograph. If I would have said Enrique, would have been awesome. 19/50. Gabriel Landeskog. It sure does, right? Gabriel Landeskog. For the Blackhawks, Dylan Olsen, rookie autograph out of 199, 136/199. And this one, okay, I gotta take off my glasses for this one. 11/12, the Cup Auto Rookies patch level something. Card number 169, number 249. Mike Murphy. It's usually the other way around, Howard. It's usually the other way around. Mike Murphy. And that was the break. Thank you, Ray Ray. Jim.